Kita dyan. Kita dyan.
Alagaan kung kailangan siya sa'yo ka na dahan-dahan. Huwag ang isipin ang mundo, tumingin ka lang sa mata ko. Araw-araw kitang liligawan. O ang isang katulad mo ay di na dapat magpakawalan. Alam mo bang pag naging tayo, hindi na kita bibitawan. Aalagaan pabayaan pagkat ikaw sa akin ay prinsesa.
Baby, I'll love you till the day that I die. Till the day.
Sasabihin kay alam na ikaw ang kapiling ko sa ilalim ng buwan.
Diyan malambig sensual bouquet. Ikaw ay tila scene sa museong dinaluto.
Dito na naman si Mika, Diyos mio. Ano oras call time? 3 p.m.
Ligaya na walang patis.
Cause I'm falling slow in love with you. 오랫동안 기다려온 너를 보면
Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, just take it on back, babe. Take it back all night. Just take it on back, take it on back. Then what you gonna do? Keep me up all night, hurting back. When I look you in your eyes, what are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. What are you willing to do?
Cause all I want is you. 이게 다라 의미야. 잠깐 좀 이랬다. Like ooh, like 이게 다라 It's not your fault that they hurt, but I mean no disrespect. It's my right to be hellish. I still get jealous. You're too sexy, beautiful. Everybody wants to.
My wish for you is to be happy. Hindi, like, walang halong pagpapanggap. Just be fully happy. Naiyak ako. Hindi, kasi... Isa lang po sila maging seryoso. Ako ba nakakaiyak to? Hindi, kasi po si Jo. Hindi, Ate Jo. Mention ko po to. Kasi po si Ate Jo, hindi lang po niya deserve yung world, pero she deserves the whole universe. Kasi, hindi sa to, honestly, every time I see her na going through something, ako yung nasasaktan knowing how soft-hearted siya. Sobrang soft kayo ni Ate Jo. Tingnan mo.
Hala!
Sobrang
Nag-iiyakan na sila! Uy!
sobrang sweet niya, sobrang bait niya. Tapos mahirap. Ako yung Bakit?
If you were a boy, sinong i-date mo sa Beanie and why? Hindi na, kahit na hindi na boy. Ate Aya?
Hawakan mo ang kamay ko nang napakaigpit. Pakinggan mo ang tinig ko. Ooh, she does her best to hide the pain that she's been through. When she cries at night, and she doesn't think that I can hear her. She tries to hide all the fear she kahit sino ka pa, basta't mahal kita. Lagi na lang akong sumusunod sa'yo. Mahal kita at yan ay totoo. Honey, my love, so sweet.
Meaning may sinamahan ka. You've turned my limbic into a bouquet. Kahit tila sining sa museong di naluluma. Pinipini kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like the nagkasya. Oh my sa tingin mo na ang oras mo'y lumipas na.
Sheena, ay mahal ko. Wala na explanation. Period.
The only exception, you are the only exception, you are the only exception, you are the only exception.
She be my queen since we were 16. We want the same things, we dream the same dreams. Alright.
Kailangan po namin i-maintain yung weight and sugar level. Alala ko yung ano?
Kung talaga kaya tumawid mag-isa, kailangan ko po may hawak na braso bago ko tumawid. Kasi baka mamaya, hindi ko po alam kung ano nangyayari sa paligid. That's why papanik ka ba? That's why we're here.
Lalapit.